Everyone settle down, please.
Attention, ladies and gentlemen. Flight 6741 Mongoose Airways to Mount Vernon is about to take off in 7 minutes. Can you please go to the gate and board the plane? If you didn't hear me, flight 6741 Mongoose Airways to Mount Vernon is going to take off. Can you please go to the gate and aboard the plane?
If you could please have your boarding pass and passports ready, please go to the gate 21. If you didn't hear me, if you could please have your boarding pass and passports ready, please head to the gate 21.
Is this Omega Airlines? To Mount Vernon?
Yes,